Meaning of Guinean.
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 Guinean. Guinean refers to someone or something that originates from the West African country of Guinea. It can be used as an adjective to describe people, culture, or products from Guinea. For example, Guinean cuisine includes dishes like jollof rice and mauve, while the Guinean national football team represents the country in international competitions. The term can also be used as a noun to refer to a person from Guinea. Overall, Guinean identifies anything related to or originating from Guinea, a country known for its rich history and diverse culture.